Hi guys and welcome back. For today we have a company offering a remote position for a senior software engineer, front-end engineer offered by the company PSPDF Kit. It's full-time and it's available anywhere in the world. Now let's dig in. We are hiring a software engineer to join our team working on PSPDF Kit for web. We are building a modern PDF SDK with technologies like React, TypeScript, and WebAssembly. Our customers either use the PSPDF kit for web NPM package build or our WebAssembly renderer, or they run our Docker container to offload render into the server. You'll work as part of a small driven team that builds new features and fixes existing issues on a regular schedule. You'll make product and architectural decisions that will impact thousands of products for years. Write readable and well documented code with meaningful tests so that we can ship new releases often and without fear. Take the time to do things correctly instead of coming up with quick fixes. Collaborate with the entire company using Slack, Basecamp, GitHub, and Zoom. Support our customers in integrating our products, help them debug and fix issues, and collaborate with them to understand their requirements for our products. Manage your work by setting your own goals, prioritizing and executing them, and ultimately taking ownership of tasks and projects. You should be familiar with JavaScript and its ecosystem of tools and packages, along with the web technology stack. You must be eager to learn new technologies, example WebAssembly, while keeping an eye open for fallbacks with all the browsers. We have a breadth-first approach to software engineering, looking inside the web platform when needed. Example command line tools, theorem provers, or other programming languages to learn what's needed to do your best work. Have a strong interest in designing and maintaining a set of cohesive public APIs, always striving for simplicity and compatibility. Have good communication skills and enjoy working with a passionate team while understanding the challenges of working on a distributed team. Have a well-rounded approach to problem solving and understand the difference between when to apply a fix and when to refactor to move a specific class of bugs. Understand the value of changes in the larger context of the business and the product's customers. Have a good command of English for writing documentation and occasional blog posts. Please know that you can be a perfect fit even if not everything we've outlined above applies to you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. We offer a remote force focus that allows you to set up working hours that best benefit your daily routine. A family-oriented work environment, room for personal and professional development through the encouragement of learning and experimenting. The time to help you improve upon your personal goals. To plan company events during the year. Working with a motivated team that enables you to do your best. A generous vacation policy of 5 weeks plus an additional allowance for conferences. A comprehensive onboarding process to get you up to speed. An application should include a write-up explaining who you are as a programmer. We are especially interested in knowing how you started, what projects you have loved working on, what motivates you, and what surprising things you've learned since you began programming. A piece of code, it doesn't have to be your own, that does something you find interesting, and an explanation as to why. Links to online profiles you use, example GitHub or Twitter. A description of your work history, such as a resume, LinkedIn profile, or prose. PSPDF Kit helps companies and users increase productivity across the globe with our robust PDF solutions. We ensure developers and end users have the highest quality tools available to do the best work, trusted by industry leaders such as IBM, SAP, Lufthansa, and United Airlines. PS PDF Kit is the go-to solution for integrating PDFs into your app. Find out more about us in our team page. I'm going to link a team page, and I'm also going to link the application link so you can apply if you think you're the best fit for this position. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.